The birthday list begins with a big number 7 right there for my man Bentley Blessant. Love the Blessant family. Bentley, happy that you are a part of it, my man. A happy 7th birthday to you. He is in Pittsburgh. He's got the backpack on, but I mean the countdown's on till he gets to enjoy summer vacation.
That's
for
right.
sure. For sure.
All right. He's only got one more day. One more half day. He was almost there. All right, Morgan Arnold turning 10 years old this year in Carl Junction. We're told Morgan is the golden child.
Which makes me think of Eddie Murphy and Ray Don Chong.
Okay. Here he is, pictured with a Lego Star Wars Imperial Walker.
It's the AT-AT.
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty cool Lego set.
That is pretty cool. Took a minute to build that thing. Mm-hmm.
Oh! They're not my girls, but when I see them on the list, I go, my girls! So, Alana Tenley and Ella Sullivan are members of the Frontenac softball team. You were sub-state regional champion, Frontenac softball team. Sullivans are headed off to Manhattan to play for a softball state championship. But more importantly, at least today, don't tell Coach Cassie I said that more importantly. At least today, the important aspect is they are celebrating their 15th birthday. Girls, it has just been a pleasure to get to know you. And Bill and Aaron, you know that, I hope you guys know that we love you as well. And a very happy birthday to the triplets there in the NAC.
All right, well, let's keep it in the NAC. Brianna Bunn turning sweet 16 today. What a great picture there, Brianna. In Frontenac with love from Granny, Papa, and the whole family.
Couldn't get out of here without a golden birthday now, could we? Well, we got one. Caden Barber, he is celebrating his 18th on this May the 18th. That is one heck of a backdrop you've got there, Caden. A very happy birthday to you, my man. I hope you enjoy your day.
Recent Pittsburgh High School graduate last Saturday. Congratulations, Caden. And Savannah Pritchett turning 29 years old in Uniontown. Happy birthday to Savannah.
This dude seems to make the list every year. I have petitioned, but somehow, some way, because I had a question about Canadian drummers and whether they were eligible to make our birthday list, but somehow, some way, he finds his way on each and every year. Larry, we know we love you. You know we love you. A very happy birthday. And what a great picture, right? That is Larry just rocking out. That is tremendous. He is in Arma.
All right, happy birthday, Larry. And a happy birthday to Sherry Nida, celebrating in Miami, Oklahoma.
That's a pretty picture, too. Look at that. The Nida household going at it for the holidays. Kathy Swathwood, speaking of, beautiful holiday picture as well. Kathy Swathwood, a very happy birthday to you. She is in Columbus. Let's give Christine Robinson a screen to her own. I think she deserves it because she is celebrating her 65th birthday. Miss Christine, I want you to have a marvelous Wednesday birthday as well. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all